Well, the company X, formerly known as Twitter, must go to court. That is what a federal judge is ruling. This is after Elon Musk's company allegedly withheld the bonuses from its employees.
Today in the Bay's Ginger Conejero-Saab is live in San Francisco. Hi, Ginger. Good morning. X motioned for this case to be thrown out, but obviously didn't succeed.
Good morning to you, Kira and Marcus. You are correct. They did motion for this case to be thrown out, did not succeed. The judge saying that the plaintiff here, Mark Schobinger, has a plausible case, allowing his complaint to move forward in federal court here in California and not in Texas, which is something that Twitter attempted to make. That meaning the decision for this case will be on the hands of the California federal court and not one in Texas. Schobinger was a senior director for X until May. Now, these allegations that Schobinger made are the key arguments here stem from oral promises that were made to Twitter employees who stayed with the company through Musk's acquisition of Twitter back in October of 2022. The judge ruled that the plaintiff has a plausible breach of contract case under California law. Schobinger alleges that Twitter orally promised to pay each employee a portion of the bonuses in Twitter's 2022 performance bonus plan, so long as the employee was covered by that plan and that the employee stayed within the first quarter of 2023. Now, the plaintiff claims he was covered as a senior director at the company. He says he did what Twitter asked, but he never received his bonus. Now, the judge ruled by allegedly refusing to pay Schobinger his promised bonus that Twitter violated that contract. Schobinger's lawyer says, quote, "This is a very important decision which is relevant to claims we have filed on behalf of nearly 2,000 Twitter employees." And one of the key parts to this case is that question, can oral promises be binding? A very interesting question. So far, the federal judge says, yes, there's enough to go to court. Twitter, or X, I should say, no longer has a media relations team, so they have not yet commented on the judge's ruling. Back to you guys.
Our story we will continue to follow. Ginger Conejero-Saab for us this morning in San Francisco. Thank you, Ginger.